Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming color space and disabling auto corrections so you control the image. First, open the color page and create a fresh serial node. This isolates primary work. Use the lift/gamma/gain wheels to balance black point, midtones, and highlights, drag subtly and watch scopes. Once done, check parade and waveform for clipping and even exposure. Make sure skin tones sit naturally on vector scope. If not, tweak gamma for midtones until they align. Next, correct white balance to remove color casts so colors read true. You can use the eyedropper on neutral areas or adjust temp/tint. Watch the vector scope for target shifts. Then increase contrast using offset and gain while monitoring the waveform so highlights and shadows don't clip. Keep headroom around 5%. For refinement, use custom curves or log wheels to shape midtone roll-off and preserve skin detail. This gives a more polished look without. Finally, set saturation to taste while watching the vector scope so colors stay natural. Raise or lower in small increments. If using a creative LUT, place it after primaries in its own node and toggle bypass to compare. Reduce its intensity with key or node mixer if it's too strong. Finish with selective noise reduction, subtle sharpening, and a final look at scopes. If colors still shift, isolate problem node and reset it. That one tip solves most ghosting or clipping issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.